Hello everyone and welcome to How to Professional. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable in your region to comply with regulations. Our first step is to open our browser and navigate to roblox.com. Once you're on the Roblox site, log into your account. After a successful login, your homepage on Roblox will be visible. Now, at the upper right-hand corner, you'll find the settings icon. Click on it to access the settings. Inside the settings section, you'll encounter several options: account info, security, privacy, billing, parental controls, and app permissions. For now, let's focus on the privacy section. You can either leave the settings as they are or choose to disable certain features. In the communication section, ensure your friends are selected or customize it to your liking, except for the No One option. Alternatively, go to the Other Settings section and make sure Accept No One is unchecked. Making changes like these will save successfully. Now let's move on to the parental control section. If you have kids or are concerned about security, you can enable a parent PIN. For allowed experiences, set it to all ages. To activate the parent PIN, you need to provide and verify your email. Once you have the PIN, you can modify settings accordingly. If these steps don't work, consider using a VPN. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.